Whew. Now that those crazy intense days are behind us, things are going to feel a little different. And this is where buyers start wondering, what am I supposed to be doing right now? Because in the beginning, everything moves fast, sometimes super fast. Deposits, inspections, negotiations, and then it feels quiet. Honestly, right about this point, buyers really do wonder, what's going on? So, here's the thing. Just because it feels quiet doesn't mean things aren't happening. Actually, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Your lender is continuing to move your file forward and may be asking for documents as needed. Title is working through everything on their end. All of this is to help get you one step closer to closing. Even if you're not seeing it every single day, we are all there behind the scenes getting everything ready. So, what exactly should you be doing during this time? First of all, stay responsive. If your lender asks for something, get it to them quickly. Your lender is still requesting documentation and getting you ready to go to clear to close. So, those items are important. Your lender is still monitoring everything going into closing. So even small changes can matter more than you think. So here's your friendly reminder. Do not go shopping. No new car, no new furniture, or guess what? You might end up living in one of them. Trust me, I've seen that go sideways really fast. And the last thing you want this far in is to get the call saying you can't buy a house anymore. In all reality, don't overthink the silence. This part is supposed to feel a little bit slower. But if you feel unsure, you can always pick up the phone and say, hey, what's going on? Because my job during this phase doesn't end. It's working closely with the lender and the title company to help get us to the finish line. So even if it feels quiet to you, I'm still making sure everything is staying on track. And the next step is appraisal.